Courtney, walk on it. Walk on these nice, beautiful floors. Hello, I'm Courtney. These floors look amazing. You like them? Thank you. All right. So we are doing the UV cure right now.
Yes.
So let me show you the difference. Yep. This is one of my students, Stanley.
Hey.
So I'm doing the UV cure now. So walk over here. So I haven't UV cured this yet.
Okay.
And then walk over here.
Okay.
You can feel the difference. So it's curing the finish instantly.
Oh, good.
You see that? Yes. They bring the rugs in today? Tonight, perfect. So this is only going to take me maybe 35, 45 minutes.
That's about the coolest thing.
It is. People love this. We just came from Cat.
You said you're one of the only people that has this?
Yes. That's correct.
Yeah.
And people, we just did one for a builder in Canton. Same thing.
I need to put the word out on this.
Oh, well, thank you. I would greatly appreciate that.
Yeah.
Man, Aaron really got his magic with that color. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, the color's good.
It is.
Yeah. Okay, so Courtney.
Yes.
I'm 100% to be able to put my rugs down a little bit.
Yes.
I gotta take my boy to eat supper because he's home from college.
All right, guys. Okay. What is going on? Today is March the 10th. We just got to this beautiful home out here in Milton, Georgia. Shout out to Mrs. Gay. She's one of my newer clients. She reached out to me last week, said, Courtney, I need my floors. At first, she wanted to screen a recoat, but the conditions that they were in, they needed to be sanded. So I have one of my good friends, Aaron. He's actually my sanding guy that I recommend. Well, a few of my guys that I recommend, but he's my main guy. And Aaron works alone. He likes to do the work himself. He started this job, I think today is Tuesday. I think he started last Wednesday. He did not work the weekend because he had to go out of town. So this job literally took him 5 days. And now I'm gonna say 5 long days because he was up here to 2 o'clock this morning, all right? And because she has furniture and rugs coming tomorrow. So we just got through leaving the job. In Canton. And we came here, me and my guy, Stanley. We are about to UV cure. So Aaron just got through laying the rag coat, all right? Oh yeah, you got another gallon left? Nice. Perfect. So you can see this is Aaron, my sanding guy. So he actually helps me sometimes as well. We've been networking and for about 2 years since he moved down here from Ohio. So the client's very happy with the floors. So my God, they have a lot going on down here. A lot going on. So this is a huge house, man. So me and well, not me, but Stanley is actually leaving tomorrow. So there's Stanley right there. Beautiful floor. He did a good job, didn't he, Stanley? Yeah. Man. So this is the thing with sanding, guys. Now the good thing about this job, she didn't have quarter rounds, so that we didn't have to pull off any quarter rounds. But this floor came out immaculate, beautiful. So just to show you guys, you know, again, I don't screen or recoat every floor. Some floors do need to be sanded depending on the situation. And in this situation, the floor needed to be fully sanded. And my average job is 5 to 6 hours, with some jobs like this, 5 or 6 days, okay? All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start UV curing this floor, and we're going to call it a day. Hey, Stanley, I'm going to start here first. I'm going to start back here first. So that's the beautiful thing, guys, with the UV curing system. They can actually get the floors, get furniture and rugs back on floors as soon as we're done. Without the UV, 3-5 days, depending on you know, what you're putting back on the floors. But with the UV system, soon as I run this light over this floor, it is instantly cure, and any and everything can start going back on the floors. This is a, now yeah, plug. Now I'm gonna go over there too, so to plug it out right there. This is a beautiful floor. Wow, man, they got a lot going on here at this house. Oh wow, they got a boring right there. And anybody who's not from Georgia, that's that Georgia red clay that you guys hear us, you know, that stuff stains really easy. I used to clean carpets, and man, that stuff will stain some carpet like nobody's business. All right, guys, get the machine powered up. We had a job for tomorrow in Midtown, a 2-level screen and recoat, and it's also pine floors as well. But he actually reached out to me today and said, Courtney, the painters are not going to be done. He said they were going to be done today, but he told me, he said, I don't think they're going to be done. And he asked me if I can push it to Friday. I said, unfortunately, I can't, because I already have jobs Friday and Saturday. So I have to push him off to Monday. I haven't heard from him yet, so I told him to call me about 6:30. Right now it's about 6:15 to see if the painters finished up today. If not, we'll have to push that job out until Monday. But I still have 2 in-home consultations to do tomorrow. And one of those in-home consultations I'm doing tomorrow in the Sugarloaf Country Club. I told her I can do it Saturday, but I initially wanted to take Saturday off. So I'm gonna ask her if we could just do it tomorrow. So if she do, me and T would knock it out tomorrow to replace the one that we're supposed to do in Midtown. All right, guys. Nothing, no music on this one. Just showing you what we're doing. UV cure these beautiful pine floors. All right, guys. See you in the next one.